Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best insect netting is probably one of the most effective and eco-friendly ways to safeguard your precious plants from pesky insects and hungry birds, ensuring a bountiful harvest without resorting to harmful pesticides. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect netting for your garden, considering factors like material, size, and ease of installation, so you can focus on enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Number 5. Garden netting 8 foot x 33 feet. It's made of a high-quality transparent mesh, so it's stretchy and perfect for gardens, orchards, and pastures. At 8 by 33 feet, it's large enough for most needs. The fine mesh lets sunlight through, so your plants can thrive all year round. It's easy to cut to any size you need and simple to install using nails or other fasteners. It's also durable enough to withstand wind and rain. Protect your fruits and vegetables from hungry animals like deer, rabbits, and birds. It's ideal for tomatoes, strawberries, and more. We're committed to providing high-quality netting to help your plants flourish. Contact us if you have any questions. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts a fine mesh that lets sunlight through while keeping pests out. Its large size makes it perfect for covering a wide area. If you need an easy-to-install solution for your garden, this is the one for you. What people say. It is my first season using the cover, so not sure about the extended durability, but it definitely appears sturdy enough to last out at least a year, so for the price I feel like I will get my money's worth. Water and sunlight get through without issue, and no caterpillars on my cabbage and broccoli like in years past. It even provided some modest protection from an unexpected early frost. I had several kinds of really young seedlings in the garden, others in my community garden lost all theirs at that time, but mine were unaffected. I wanted to find something to put over our cabbage plants to protect from bugs, moths, and this works wonderfully. The nylon-type sheer fabric has a bit of give to it that does not tear or come apart easily. The edges of the fabric are not bound, but are more like it was cut from a larger bolt of fabric, no big deal. I gathered the excess at the ends and put boards and bricks all around this planting area to keep the fabric down and secured. I can easily water through the fabric and the plant leaves of only the holes that were present before I put the fabric cover on, keeping all unwanted bugs out. Bought this netting to protect my small dappled willow tree from the anticipated cicada infestation. The netting was easy to handle and very good quality. I was able to cover the tree with no problems. Number 4. GonLei garden netting. It boasts a strong yet lightweight design. The ultrafine mesh allows sunlight, air, and rain to pass through, ensuring healthy plant growth while keeping pests away. This netting protects a wide variety of plants from various pests, including squirrels, rabbits, and insects. It's also great for creating a mosquito-free zone in your outdoor living space. Simply drape it over your plants and secure the edges. It's easily cut to size and won't damage delicate plants during installation. Its unique design shields plants from insects, animals, and harmful UV rays, while still allowing air, water, and light to pass through. You don't even need to remove it when watering. Made from high-quality, see-through mesh, it's built to last. When not in use, store it in a dry place to maintain its quality for years to come. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not satisfied, simply contact us. Enjoy worry-free gardening. What we like. This one stands out with its ultrafine mesh, providing superior protection against even the smallest pests. The extra-large size offers maximum coverage. If durability and superior pest protection are your priorities, this is the choice for you. What people say. I use this product to cover a row of low hedges to keep oak leaves from falling into them in autumn. It works well for that purpose. You can water the plants through the mesh, and it doesn't block sunlight or damage the plants. We have 8-foot deer fencing surrounding our flower garden and our vegetable garden. I purchased it to keep the bugs off my broccoli to begin with, and the broccoli was beautiful and no bugs, and then I thought, why don't I get a huge and wrap it around the garden without putting it on top, because I want the bees to come in and pollinate, so I only put the netting over the top of items that we don't want bug pressure. This netting has saved my garden from all the little bugs I would have eaten it up. I did take the netting off once the plants are very mature, but the thing was great. I had to use clips to fasten it on, but it's pretty durable surprisingly. Water just went right through it. Sunlight went right through it, but the bugs couldn't. Number 3. SnugNiture garden netting. This netting offers superior protection for your plants. Its large size and ultrafine mesh keep pests away while letting in sunlight and water. With its 0.8 mm x 1 mm mesh, it effectively protects your fruits, vegetables, and flowers from birds, deer, and squirrels. It's strong enough to provide reliable protection. Made from high-quality mesh cloth and PE material, it's waterproof, sunproof, and built to withstand outdoor conditions. It's designed for long-term use in your garden. It's lightweight and won't harm your plants. The breathable mesh allows sunlight, water, and air to pass through, promoting healthy plant growth. You can easily cover your plants without worrying about hindering their growth. It's easy to cut to any size you need. Simply lay it over your plants, securing the edges with stones, soil, or nails. It's adaptable to various garden sizes and shapes. Perfect for gardens, yards, and farms, it's ideal for vegetable greenhouses, nurseries, and orchards. It also has other uses, such as covering ponds or protecting windows and doors. What we like. This netting is made of a durable, ultrafine mesh that's also see-through, allowing for easy plant monitoring. It's lightweight yet strong, ensuring long-lasting protection. If you're looking for a durable, see-through option, this is ideal. What people say. The quality of this netting is outstanding. The fine mesh is meticulously woven to keep even the tiniest pests at bay. It provides a reliable barrier against worms, bugs, and other garden intruders without obstructing airflow or sunlight. This netting is perfect for my greens and brassicas. Previously I couldn't grow them past early spring without them getting overrun by moths and worms that would decimate the crop in mere days. The netting allows us to have perfect, organic vegetables. The thicker netting is durable enough to last several seasons, but lets plenty of light and water through. Number 2. JORKIng Plant Cover Netting. It features an ultrafine mesh that keeps out tiny pests, birds, and other animals, ensuring your plants thrive. This helps protect your valuable crops from damage. It's designed to allow air, sunlight, and water to pass through easily. You can water your plants without removing it, promoting healthy growth. Made from durable, 100% PE material, it's lightweight, soft, and reusable. It won't easily deform or break, providing long-lasting protection. You can easily cut it to fit your needs or use it with a hoop support for a raised bed. It's perfect for various plants and garden setups. This convenient netting comes in a 2-pack and is easy to fold and store. It's suitable for gardens, orchards, farms, and more. What we like. You get 2 packs of this ultrafine mesh netting, offering double the protection and value. It's versatile enough for various applications. If you need extra coverage or have multiple garden areas, this is a great option. Number 1. Unves 67 PCS Garden Netting Kit. This kit provides everything you need to protect your plants from pests and birds. It's easy to install and reuse, season after season. The 10 by 20 foot netting is made from durable polyethylene. Its ultradense mesh allows for water and light penetration, while keeping pests out. It's easy to customize it to fit your garden's unique needs. You can use it whole or cut it to size and secure it with the included clips and hoops. The included hoops are made of plastic-coated steel, preventing rust and providing strong support for the netting. They're easy to install and adjust. This kit includes everything you need: netting, hoops, clips, and connectors. It's designed for a simple and effective setup. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for easy setup, including hoops and clips. It's perfect for creating a raised bed or other custom structures. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this is the best choice. What people say. The netting is ultra fine. It looks like it might only last one season. It's very sheer, so the vegetables get a lot of sun and it's easy to water. This kit had gloves, spikes and disc to secure the net to the ground, which was good because I didn't need to buy a lot of bricks. This kit comes in handy and is an easy but effective way to protect your garden space. It's protected from most bugs and from wildlife. It's super easy to water your garden directly through the netting. Plus they still get plenty of sunlight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.